You see here the brightness. That's bright, that's medium, and that's low. Hey, welcome back, Van. Here in this video we're going to go over the SOLLA light. I picked it up for my building back here, right there. So I had a solar light out here from Harbor Freight, but it kind of petered out. There's really no sun back here, and I think the batteries got shot because of it. So we'll just go over this. I'm not really sure if this is exactly what I want back here, because this light, as you can see, does not come on from motion detection during the daytime. But the only thing I really need a light out here is for when it's dark outside, you know. So it does have some settings on the side. We're going to go over here in just a minute to change the batteries. When you first get this, it'll have this plate on the bottom. Flip this little hickey right here, slide that out, push this one over here on the side, and that will open up your batteries. And you'll see inside here, it's going to have a direction for which way the battery needs to go. So to put this back in, let's see, you've got 2 notches right up in there, and you'll take these 2 notches, stick them in there, and then close it. And one thing I like about this, that I know I'm going to like about it, is that you just mount this to the wall. It shows which way's up, and then all you have to do is just snap it in there like that. You just slide it in on the wall. I believe this would be better outside than inside this building, but I just got to get a light up in here. Alright, and the first thing that happens when you put in your batteries for the first time is you may be able to see that there is a red light in here. Yeah. So for 20 seconds that red light will be on, and then that'll put you, it's called a warm-up stage. And after that warm-up stage, then it'll go into a default setting over here on the side of 17 feet, low light, test mode, and medium brightness. And to change this to whatever you want it in, it says to test it, you know, on test mode, make sure that's going to work. I believe that the 17 feet's fine. The low light is fine. I might want to, since it's going to be out here in the building, I might want to change that to moderate dusk. That's like dusk. And then you take it off test mode and put it on 20 seconds for it to stay on. And I believe that the brightness, you see here the brightness, that's bright, that's medium, and that's low. I'm going to try it out on low so it doesn't wear the batteries down as fast. Also, you've got this thing will switch to 180 degrees for the motion detection. And it's got an arrow right here, and an arrow right here, an arrow right here, an arrow right here, that they line up with each other. And then another feature this thing has is that the whole top will move. But not only that, but all the lights will move. See there? And then this one right on the side, it moves in all kinds of crazy directions, and so does this other one, which is really nice. So you can really have this thing set up in all kinds of directions. Let's mount this thing. Got this up here mounted. We only used 2 screws up there. We're going, like I say, slide this on just like that. And it's not going to work or anything until it gets dark in here. But you know what? I could shut the door and see what it does, can't I? Alright, the light went off. Let's move. The light came on just as soon as we started moving. So let's try it on high and see what it does. So we're going to come over here on the side, and I believe it's right here. There, that's bright. Let's try that out. All right, here we go. We're gonna make some movement. This is on high. Yeah, so it lightens it up pretty good. So coming out here in the dark is really gonna be a lot better, right? Golly bum, look at that. So there you go, there you have it. That's what the building looks like during the daytime. I don't need a light out here then. So I believe it's gonna be just fine and dandy. Having it to where it comes on only at night. And it is moderate, which is dusk. So we should be good and golden. Hey y'all, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. It'd be a simple, easy way to put a light out in your shed if you just need something to go out there at nighttime. Next, I'll be putting a solar light, hopefully, in my crawl space under my house so that I'll always have a light underneath the house there. Just like this one, but it's solar. Hey y'all, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. You have a good one now, and you come back up.